All right, my fourth app is called Explain Everything. It is a basically a digital whiteboard. When you start, you can either choose a blank whiteboard or you can choose from some of the templates they have. So you can choose like a green chalkboard, a whiteboard, custom color, blackboard, a storyboard, meeting, so on. Or you can choose from a file. You can choose a JPEG, PDF, and so on. I'm just going to choose a blank one. I've not used this, so we'll see how it goes. So I have a blank whiteboard. Things that you can do, you can import a file, you can import pre-existing clip art that they have. It looks pretty simple. So you can take any of these clip art objects and input them into your whiteboard. So I'm going to input that one. You can also take a picture or a screenshot. You can also use an existing image that you might have already saved. You can take, once you have your image in there, you're able to move that image around. They also have some tools, a pen tool, so you can write on the whiteboard. You can change colors, red, blue, and so on. I'm not sure what this one does. Looks like it does some shading, so if you wanted to outline something and then shade inside of that, it has to be completely closed in. I'm not really sure what's happening there. Has an eraser tool. Or an undo might be better in this case. The eraser seems to be a little thin. Let's see, what else do they have? Looks like they have some shapes that you can draw. So you can draw rectangles. You could draw circles. That's the eraser tool again. I guess you can make it bigger. So now if you want to erase, I got my line there. If I want to erase something, I select the biggest one and it's a little bit easier to erase. Let's see, you can add text in. So if you want to type something in, you can type it in. You can resize your text box. Looks like they got a little bit of math function in there. Doesn't look like a whole lot. Bold, italics. And you just click the little check and you can take it and move that around if you want to. Click that. So you can move your text around. You can move your clip art around. Anything you've got in there, you can move kind of around. I have a touchscreen Chromebook that I'm recording on, so I can take and resize anything with my fingers. I can rotate it around just by holding two fingers on it and rotating it. So I can rotate this around. I can resize it with just my fingers, which is kind of cool. They also have a recording function, so you can record your screen while you're presenting. So if you want to record and you're writing on it, you can do that also. So it looks pretty cool. I've not used it, so you'd have to play around with it and see kind of what other options are available.